Burn with the Better Call Dev tool explained. Step 1. Head over to the Better Call Dev interface using the specific engine address for your desired tracker token versus eligible collateral. Steps to navigate to Better Call Dev and to connect your wallet with BCD are found in the Mint video. Step 2. Check the outstanding minted tracker tokens in your vault. Click on the Storage tab. Select the big map 7711 corresponding to vault contexts. Paste your wallet address. The outstanding UUSD is highlighted as shown on the screen. Step 3. Confirm that you have enough tracker tokens in your wallet to pay back your loan. Paste your wallet address in the search field on TZKT to view your balances. In this example, there is approximately 0.4864 UUSD. Step 4. Let's dive into the burn operation proper. Click on the Interact tab. Select the burn entry point. Step 5. Time for some math. As an example in this video, we try to burn 0.17 UUSD. Multiply the desired mint value by 10 to the power of 12. Copy the result of your calculation. Paste in the burn input field. Scroll down a bit to execute the transaction. Select the wallet option. Confirm the transaction in your wallet. Step 6. Verify the burn on BCD. Click on the Storage tab. Select the big map 7711 corresponding to vault contexts. Paste your wallet address. Click to view the details. The minted amount is reduced to this value. Copy the value. Divide by 10 to the power of 12 to get the actual outstanding UUSD. Learn more? Find more information on youves with the links in the description.